Welcome to xAPI. This tool allows you to turn tabular CSV data into xAPI statements that you can send to an LRS. Let's begin with a simple tour of the tool. To start, select a file from your computer. Check any appropriate options about headers or format of your file. Then, upload it to our server. Once the file has been uploaded, continue to step 2. In this step, you will transform your data into an xAPI template. First, view your previewed data. This will show you a small sample of your data, containing up to 5 rows of the most complete rows of data and up to 5 of the least complete rows of data. Directly below your palette, you will view the xAPI template. From here, you will construct a statement template. We will drag headers from our data here to the palette. We've now attached an actor and a verb to our template. Let's move to step 3. In step 3, we can view what statements will be generated from the template we made in step 2. Each statement will be validated, and an error message will tell us how to fix our template if there is something wrong with it. In this case, we did not attach an object to our template. Let's go back to step 2 and fix that. Now all our previous statements pass. Let's go to step 4. In this step, we will upload our data to an LRS. Simply gather your endpoint, API key, and API secret key. Once we have gathered these credentials, we can submit our data for processing. Please wait as statements are sent to your LRS. At the end of this process, you will receive a report telling you how many statements successfully entered your LRS. For more information, please read our documentation and watch our other video tutorials.